Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation. That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.
Hello, back again. It's going to be 3 today, I think. 1 later on, maybe. Parts haven't arrived yet, but I'm going to need to finish modelling the one-to-one Balun, the ring this time. So we'd finished the wing nut this morning, so we've got to do that bit now. And the nut and that and the washer, slightly different size. Okay, let's get on with it. Right, I did it again. I forgot to switch myself on. Basically, yeah. All I said is, yeah. I went to Radio World today. What a shame. It was shuttered up. Internet said it was open. Wasn't open, so I didn't bother phoning. It was not too far away, so we went shopping anyway. But I was going to buy some Amipro 20s. So we've got 2 Amipro 40s, so I thought I'll get the next band. Amipro 20s, didn't get them, shut. So anyway, it doesn't matter, no rush. And I was also going to buy some 50mm plastic pipe, didn't get that either. Never mind, we'll carry on modelling this to finish this bit off. Okay, let's just check the audio. I think the audio is okay. Let's just check it. Yeah. Anyway, so these are M5 threads, this is an M6, so we're going to have to change, basically redo all the washer and everything, and the spring washer. It's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Pity we can't just scale it. Should we cheat and scale it? The nut and washer, we could try scaling it. How do we scale it though? We need to scale it by 1mm. Let's try scaling it. So we'll get the Annie's on there. Same again, isn't it? Yeah. So if we grab one of them, we'll cheat a bit. Right, we'll cheat, and we're going to copy them. Right, I'll paste them. See, this is for M5. And obviously, M5. So what we want is these will obviously be too small for this thread, unless we make that thread smaller. But no, we're going to model the correct thing. The reason why we want to model it to scale is in case we make one out of plastic, 3D print it for whatever reason. So it needs to be able to be the right size. Okay, so let's try and scale it. So I'll leave that. Basically, I could just put them on there, couldn't I? Can I scale the whole thing like that? Can I scale? There's a scale. Oh, it's selected them all together. So I want to scale the whole thing. The thickness is the same, so it needs to be scaled unilaterally. unilaterally. How can I do it? So if I scale it this way by 0.5, 0.5. Oh, that's not good. Right, so how do you scale it? So if maybe you got to measure it. Let's say, well, I don't know what that did then. So if I do that, so yeah, so yeah, 0.5 should have done it. No. Oh, I don't really know what's going on there. I don't understand the scale. So let's try it a different way. So if I move it to there, what am I getting? 1.13. I get it now, I think. So to scale, let's say 1.2 that way, and this way 1.2. Right, what does that look like? Would that fit, or have I gone too crazy? Tell you what. Excuse me. Right, what we'll do is grab it from the bottom. Stick it over here. It might be too loose, maybe. Let's have a look. Oh, I think we're going to get away with that. That'll save us a lot of work, hasn't it? Right. That has saved us a lot of work. Right. Let's bring that down to the floor. It should just go automatic. No. Right, has that saved us a bit of work? Yep, that's close enough. So to gain a millimetre or half a mil to the radius, yeah, well, that saved us a lot of work. Right, so all we've got to do now is the ring, which we haven't got a ring anyway. That's good. I'm liking that. That saved us a lot of time. Right. Anyway, let's take this ring off here. This is I know how to get a ring that's a rounded ring, right, basically. So it looks like a bit of a weight, this does. Right, so I'm going to show you what we're trying to model first. Like I say, I'm still waiting for the delivery from Amazon for some brass bushes, brass inserts, melted inserts, and some nuts. They're supposed to be here today, so between 4 and 7. So it could be here in a bit. So we want to model that. Just a mounting ring. Shouldn't take too difficult. It's got some writing on it. B304. That's the stainless type. M6. So yeah. M6 and 304. I'm not going to bother with all that. I'm just going to get the size. Anyway, get the old calipers out again. Right, let's get back onto it. What do we start with? So I could start with a circle. No, I'll tell you what I'll do. Do I? Yes. Shall we start with a circle? I think so this time, rather than the base. Yeah, because I can make a circle. I can tell it to follow me. Right. So the outer OD. Well, let's get the inner ID. So 5 mil. So let's say 5 mil. So we'll draw something here. 5 mil. So 2.5. We've gone a bit crazy over there. Let's drag it up here so we can work on it. Put it there. Right, just give us some scale. Right, now I've got to do it in a circle. Now I've got to draw a circle and say follow me. So the best way of doing that is to actually draw a circle. Right. So now I need the radius of the circle. I'll define the radius. the outer radius. Now I've got to take off the 2.5 mil from it, 5 mil. So I've got to be in the centre of the hoop, all around. So it's 26.6. So we say 20. Let's say 27. So half of 27 less 5. So let's just get a calculator. It's easier. 27 divided by 2 less 5. So that's our radius. So if we create a thing here, so go 8.5. Right, so that again is not. What do I do with that one? Don't do that. Right, so I need to grab this and just move it, put it somewhere here. So see how that's the real size of it. I can't put it onto it. I can put it here. Need to just place it there for a minute. All right. So what I want this in free space there. I don't want the middle bit. I just want the outer bit. And I've got to tell this to follow me. Now it can start. The angle's going to be slightly offset. Yeah, so I want to start. Where do we start? So I want that over here. Yeah, I need that over here now. So I need to grab. How do I do this? Let's make that temporarily make that. Oh no, that should be alright. If I grab it from the centre and I put it over here like that. That's the centre. Right, so we've got something like this. I'm not sure if it'll do a follow me. It should do. Should do. But I need that to come down. It needs to start down here. It needs to start roughly there. So what I need to do is I need to grab this. Oh, hang on. That's not going to work. I need that to. Sorry, that needs to come down. That needs to drop to the corner there. Hang on, let's have a look at it sideways on. Yeah, so I need that down to start with. It needs to be there. Just make sure it's right. Yeah, that's it. Then I can use this to excuse me, we need to go from there, we need to go from there, and we need to move it down to, I reckon, there. Is that about right? Yeah, that's it. Right, so we've got that there. Now I need to explode. Oh, didn't make it into a thing, did I? No, that's okay. Right, so I need to grab that and I need to tell it to follow me, which is this weird tool over here. Follow me. Right, so let's see if it'll follow me. No, it's not following me. Why not? Is it because I haven't selected it? Hang on. Let's. Right, so we've got that. How do I highlight that? I need to highlight that. Not sure. Let's have a look what it says. Follow a path with the selected face. Right, I've got to make that into a path. Can I make it into a path? Tool. Is there anything to do with path on here? Is there a tool for creating a path? So we've got that with rotate, distance. Oh, I've got to drag it. Right, okay. So if I drag it, it's done it. Has it done it? Ah, it's done it, but it's just done the whole thing. It's okay. I can slice a bit out. Now, looks a bit thick. That looks too thick to me. Let's have a look. What have I gone wrong? Oh no, that's 5mm. Something's wrong. It doesn't look right to me. Is it right? Doesn't look quite right. Let's have a look. Maybe it is right. It just looks thicker. Oh well. Right. So we've got that. So we need to cut it up now. View it in X-ray. We need to get rid of this, or we need to slice through it. Tell you what, let's make the base. I'll leave that like that for now. Let's do the base next. So we want it's another round base. Right, round base. What have we got? Base is 16mm. So let's do a 8mm diameter something or other, and we'll bring it up here so we can work on it. Alright, and it's slightly tapered, this one, so I need to lift it up first, so the thickness. Get the thickness of it, 7mm. So we'll do a 7mm on it. Okay, and then we've got to come in a bit because it's a different shape. So let's get that round there. So 15mm. So let's get a ring on it. Oh, hang on. We've wrecked it. Undo, push, pull. We need to move that away from there so it doesn't interact with the other bit. Let's bring it here. Right. It's 7mm. And we want to do a, what's it, 15mm or 14mm? $15mm. So we want to put a thing on there, so 7.5. It's not a lot, mind you, it's not a lot of difference. I think it needs to be more than that though. So let's say it was 14mm, so 7mm. That's better. I need to move that down to there. That's it. We want a bit of roundness to it. So let's give it a bit of rounded. What sort of rounded? 1mm. And we'll bring, I don't know if we can do this. Try it. It's not going to do it, is it? Right. Is there a reason for not doing it? Can I not do that? Right, I can't do it because it's smaller. Try it again. Oh, you can. You can do it. Right, so we'll do a 1mm on it. We need to round the bottom. It was just the angle I was on it at. Right, fair play. Brilliant program, really. What's this going to be? Another 1 mil? Yeah, 1 mil. And we go up 1 mil. What have we got now? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's pretty much what we want. Yeah. Okay, so we need to now put that in the middle of that. So that's not so easy. So what we'll do is we'll make this we'll group it, grab it by the middle, and try and locate the middle of this thing. Not easy to locate the middle of it, but we should be able to. Right, is that the middle? No. It might be the middle that way, but it's not the middle this way. Right. How do we do this? So we grab it there. And we want it there. Right, is it? No, that's moved over now. Okay, we could do it a slightly different way then. Grab it from there and move it to there. Right, is that the middle? Yeah, that's the middle. It's a bit low still. It's looking more like this though. And we need to go up until, yeah, just up now. So we want to go up until, what's that like? Let's just have a look at that. Is that enough? Yeah, that could be right. Maybe that's enough. Alright, so we'll have that then. We'll take out the inner bit. Right, what we're going to do now is, let's just make sure we haven't selected anything else. Set the faces with the model. Right, that's intersected it. And we can get rid of certain parts of it now. This might be a quick stream, you never know. Famous last words. Right, let's get rid of something. Oh, that's still part of the same thing for some reason. Right, okay. I'll tell you what, let's just leave it where it is. Come out of X-ray and have a look at it. Right, so I didn't quite do a good job of interfacing it. No, it didn't. Right, let's just go back a touch. So that's before I intersected the face with the model. Oh, have I not expanded it? Ah, that's why. I should have exploded it first. Right, and then I should have intersect the faces with the model. Intersect the faces with the model. Oh, it's done it again. It's broke it, hasn't it? Right, so undo, intersect. Right, is that going to be okay? If I group it, yeah, it's probably not. Is there anything I can do with that? Wonder if there's anything I can do with that. Well, soften and smooth the edges. No. Explode the curve. I suppose that might help. Find the centre. Convert to a polygon. No, none of that seemed to work. Flat edge. Oh, repair and flatten. Oh, look at that. It's wrecked it. Undo. So I think I'm going to have to, yeah, intersect the faces with the model and try and repair it. Or do I leave it? It's just a nut at the end of the day. Tell you what, we'll leave it as it is. It's not perfect, but let's put the hole in the bottom. Right, and this needs to be It's a 6mm hole, so 3mm. And then we've got to push it through then. We don't know how far to push it through. 7mm I thought it was. Push it through, 7mm. It's okay, but we can still see the inner bit. But once it's over the thread, you won't see it anyway, so it's being a bit lazy. So, and also you need that. Needs to be, I'll say 1mm, and just need to push that down, or 1mm. We need the top pushing down 1mm. Oh, actually, no. The top is just left as it is. Yeah, there was no way they could machine the top. It feels, yeah, that they could do the bottom, not the top. Now, do I leave it like that? Let's give it a try of intersecting the faces with the model. Intersect the faces with the model, or with a selection. Right, it sort of broke it, hasn't it? Does it matter? Let's see if I can get rid of the middle bit. Let's try and do it right. Oh no, it's still the same face for some reason. Wonder why it does that. I can't, yeah, because it's round and there's nothing to grab on it. What about if I convert it to polygons? Doesn't do anything. That's a shame, isn't it? We're supposed to follow me and go round, not do the whole thing. But it went in and did the whole thing for me. Right, so what do I do now? Undo. I could just try and draw around it, I suppose. Let's try that. Let's see if that idea will work. Has that made it worse? Maybe not. It won't work because I'm going round a round bend. Okay. Alright. So, never mind, we'll never use it for anything else anyway. Let's make it into a component. And let's pop it on top of there. Oh, I can't see it. Let's go X-ray mode. Yeah, cheating on this one, never mind. I'm never going to use it. It's just for illustrations. I can't even get to it now. It won't even show me where the centre is. But oh, just about got it in. Right, let's pop it on here. Is that it? That certainly looks like it to me. Once we're in, not in X-ray mode, I'll tell you what, we better paint it while we're here. Let's paint it. Okay, we're still in the right environment for painting it. We'll leave the middle bit. We'll do that bit and that bit, and that's it. Okay. So all we've got to do is pop that down to the right level. until we're happy. Let's have a look at that. Is that okay? That's close enough, isn't it? Close enough. Maybe go up a tiny bit. What's that like? That'll do. Right, so we've got our ring. Oh! Something doesn't look right. Something doesn't look right. No, something definitely doesn't look right. That's a shame. Why doesn't that look right? So let me see what's wrong with this. Yeah, something not right there. My size is wrong. This is wrong. The base is right, but this is wrong. That's a shame. It's not big enough. I made a mistake somewhere. Made a mistake. I must have took too much off it. Let's try and measure it. $21. I think I said this was 22. That's bigger than 22, isn't it? 26. Yeah, so it's not as big as it should be. So we've made a bit of a mistake there. That's a shame. So the base is okay. It's just this bit is no good. So can I get rid of this bit? Maybe. Yeah. Have I got rid of the whole thing? Yeah. Okay. So that looks good so far. So what I need to do now is create a hoop. Right, so start again with a hoop. So we're looking at it from this angle. Right, so if I do a hoop, so if I go like that and hang on, I need to come at a slight angle. Right, so this is going to be it's 5mm, so 2.5. Right, then I want a circle. A circle to do a follow me, so let's do a circle. Circle, let's try and get the circle right, so let's say it's half the size of that. $20mm, so 10mm. 10mm diameter. Oh, is that even gone in there? Oh, that was just a bit of luck, wasn't it? Hang on, undo that. Let's put the circle here. 10mm. Right, get rid of the middle bit. Ah, I know what to do. If we break the circle up, right, explode the curve, we get rid of bit by bit. That's it. That's what I should have done. Okay. So we've got that, and if I put, right, I need to, right, get rid of that circle. Get rid of that one. I need to create this, and it's 2.5. So grab it by the middle. I need to stick it there, so it's centered itself. Then I need to get this again and put it there, and then bring that down to there. Then I need to do a follow me on it. And I need to just drag it around. No, it's not doing it. Oh, do I drag it? No, didn't seem to go. Right, let's try again. Maybe I've got to grab it from the middle. I'm on the wrong tool. Right, so go and follow me. Oh, maybe I click it. Ah, I know what I did. I didn't actually grab this. I need to grab that. Oh, it won't let you grab that. It'll only let you grab a surface. Okay. So I'm going around here. Keep coming. Don't quit on me now. Okay, that's better. I'm liking that. Right, so now I've just got to put that. That looks a better silver than the one I got. Let's paint it. Might as well paint it now, I suppose. It's a different way of doing it. Right, so I need to grab it, buy something. Let's grab it by the corner. No, can't grab it like that. Oh, I've got to grab the whole thing. So if I grab the whole thing like that and somehow bring it down here. And somehow, I think I'm going to have to make it into a group it, so it doesn't try and attach itself to the wrong place. And grab it and somehow bring it here. Have a look at it, see if it's centered up. It is centered up, but it's a bit high still. I need to drop that down into it. So let's pretend, just go down into it. Is that enough? Maybe not. Like that, is that right? Is that too much space? No, it's about right. It's about right. So what's different? Looks like I've got too much of it that way. So I need to go that way a tiny bit. Right, is that evenly spaced out? Pretty much. Right, I think that's going to do it. So what I'll do now is I'll cut it, paste it in place, explode it, excuse me, and then try and intersect the faces with the model. It's broke it again. Undo, intersect. Right, so maybe that's as good as it's going to get. Yeah, that's okay. Right, can I get rid of any lines? Let's have a look. Is there anything to get rid of? Yes. Okay. That's a lot then. The only thing is it doesn't reflect. All the washes and that don't I know what it is. The nut is bigger. Right. Let's take that up a bit. Like that. The wash is right. Well, the nut is not right. The size of the nut is thicker. So let's make it twice as thick. What size is the nut? 2.5. Yeah, I'd say it's 5mm. So I need to move that and that up 5mm. And select the nut. Hang on, is it a component? Make it unique. And increase it by 2.5. Okay. Right, so bring this down by 2.5. Okay, so we've got that there, it's looking better. So now we should be able to bring this down. Let's try that. There's a little bit of a gap there, so a bit more. Right, what's that like? That's it. Okay. That's better. Yeah. That's about right. Almost as right as doesn't matter. Let's show you the... Right, so you got that one, and then you got that one. So that one, and then you got that one. That one. And then that one. Right, okay, that'll do. Right, so we've completed the Balun. Oh, we've got no livery. Shame about the livery. Oh well, we can livery without the livery. Yeah. Okay, that was a quick one. Let me just go and look if there's any deliveries pop through the post box. So we've got ourselves a save it. Right, what we need to do now is copy it over to the main model. Oh, it's not part of this yet, so right, we need to grab them, cut it, paste it in place, and then we can just grab the whole thing. Oh, the wing nuts aren't part of it. Okay, so we want cut, paste in place. Let's just move it 100mm this way. Oh no, sorry, hang on. Move the whole thing to make sure we haven't left anything behind. We haven't. So we'll just copy that now. Save it and open the original one. Paste it in place, or paste it. I'll need to turn it around. That's it. Let's push it where the old one is. You'll need X-ray mode to be able to push it over top of something. Right, where are we? Is that it? I think that's it. Now we need to get rid of one of them. That's the one, and let's come out of X-ray mode, and we've got our finished Balun in place. Nice. Right, so that's even better then. So I was going to buy this pipe today, this PVC pipe, 3mm, 50mm outer diameter, 45 point something in it. Anyway, 44 something. So we're going to go and see if there's anything at the door. Give me a second. If not, this will be the end of the live stream. Back in a second. No, nothing's come. Right, so I suppose we could do the bolt. There's a brass insert and 4 bolts got to go on. But they'll be socket head flanged, so I'll have to model that later. Right, that'll do for now, and I'll catch you on the live stream. If it's later on, it's later on. If it's not, it'll be tomorrow. Okay, it'll probably be tomorrow morning, unless I feel like doing another one. Alright then, thanks for watching. So that's just finishing off the 1-to-1 Balun. It sort of fits nicely in there, out of the way. Have space here for if you want 10 coils of as a choke or something, you could do. So it's sort of self-contained. Right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here. Bye bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation. That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.